The utilization of drones for environmental monitoring and conservation represents a rapidly evolving and highly impactful niche in drone technology in 2023. This specialized application is revolutionizing how we protect and preserve our natural environment. Drones in environmental conservation. Drones equipped with advanced imaging and sensing technologies are increasingly being deployed for environmental monitoring. They offer an efficient means to survey large and inaccessible natural areas, collecting data on wildlife populations, vegetation, and environmental conditions. Wildlife monitoring. Drones have become a game changer in wildlife conservation. By employing high-resolution cameras and sensors, they can observe rare and endangered species from the air without causing disturbance. This capability is crucial for gathering vital information about their movement patterns, population sizes, and habitats. Detecting environmental damage. One of the most critical roles of drones in conservation is in detecting and monitoring environmental damage. They are instrumental in identifying areas affected by deforestation, erosion, and illegal mining activities. Their ability to quickly cover large areas and provide detailed imagery is essential for pinpointing problematic regions, aiding conservation efforts. Drones also play a pivotal role in supporting reforestation projects and habitat restoration efforts. They can disperse seeds over degraded areas or monitor the progress of vegetation growth, providing valuable insights into the effectiveness of conservation strategies. Challenges and future outlook. Despite the promise of drones in environmental conservation, challenges remain. These include privacy concerns, the need for integration into existing conservation strategies, and the regulation of airspace. Looking ahead, we expect an increased integration of AI and automated systems in drone technology to enhance efficiency and precision in conservation efforts. Advanced applications in environmental research. Drones are not just tools for observation, they are becoming integral to environmental research. Scientists use drones to collect samples from hard-to-reach locations, such as remote water bodies or treetops, enabling studies on air quality, water pollution, and biodiversity. Community engagement and education. Beyond research and monitoring, drones are also being used for community engagement and environmental education. They provide unique perspectives of natural areas, helping to raise awareness about environmental issues and engaging the public in conservation efforts. Drone technology and climate change. In the context of climate change, drones are essential for monitoring climate-related phenomena like melting glaciers, rising sea levels, and changes in weather patterns. They offer invaluable data that can inform climate change mitigation and adaptation strategies. In conclusion, drone technology and environmental monitoring and conservation is not just a trend. It's a transformative approach that's reshaping our interaction with the natural world. As this technology continues to evolve, it holds immense potential for enhancing our ability to understand, protect, and preserve our planet. Keep an eye out for more thrilling updates from the universe of Tech Wave Weekly.